This is my quick review of the Neewer Basics AC024. It is a mount, a magnetic mount with, I believe, action camera fingers on the back for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Let's get it open, see what we got. Comes with two little metal pieces for making a non-metallic surface metallic. Sorry. An Allen wrench for tightening it up. Quick instructions. And it's actually pretty neat. It's got a 3/4 mount on it. This Allen wrench is to tighten up how stiff or how loose this hinge is. Get back to that. GoPro fingers on it. Ew, it collapsed a little bit. Hopefully it'll be alright. They feel pretty strong, but the whole thing is kind of plasticky. Yeah, but it might still serve its purpose. Let's get this thing booted and suited. That doesn't feel right at all. Oh, yeah. Latch right here to open the door up. It's supposed to be. Oh, yep, here we go. Got to pull it. So it's in here. Somehow. Oh. Gotta be a little better with it. Clicks in. And then there we go. Not a bad little grip. Have to use it in the real world, but we'll see.